Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the "your payment couldn't be sent" error on Cash App. All right, let's begin. If you're getting this error, it's often an issue on the recipient's side. Start by asking the recipient to open their Cash App and tap their profile icon in the upper right corner. From there, they need to scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls key settings that may be blocking the payment. First, check if the option called Incoming Requests or Allow Others to Request Money from Me is turned on. If this setting is off, Cash App may block incoming payments even when everything else looks correct. Make sure this is enabled. Next, look for the Allow Others to Find Me option. This lets people find the recipient's Cash App account using their cash tag, phone number, or email. If this setting is off, Cash App may not recognize or locate the account, and the payment could fail. Once both settings are enabled, try sending the payment again. In most cases, this resolves the issue immediately. If the problem continues, it might be due to a deeper issue like account restrictions, verification problems, or technical errors. In that case, contact Cash App support directly from the app by tapping Support, scrolling to the bottom, and selecting Chat. So that's basically how you can fix the "your payment couldn't be sent" error on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.